It's a 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. This car pulls ahead of the pack with its cargo capability, safety measures, and horsepower. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: inline 4-cylinder engine, manual tilting steering column, streaming audio, manual telescoping steering column, wireless phone connectivity, auxiliary audio input, aluminum wheels, 4 12-volt power outlets, and external memory control. Cars.com thinks the Santa Fe's cabin is quiet and its ride smooth. Even during a quick jaunt on a dirt road, it demonstrated a high level of composure and bump absorption. It bounded over larger potholes but stayed buttoned down over smaller imperfections. Hyundai's attention to detail means a better driving experience for you. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
President's Award-winning Toyota of Southern Maryland is conveniently located at 22500 Three Notch Road in Lexington Park, Maryland.